Good morning, all.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
How are you all?
Fine, ma'am. Fine, ma'am.
Fine. So we are meeting after a long time, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, which means that now we are ready and eager to learn computer, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so today we are going to start a new chapter.
Yes,
Please, all of you, take your lecture note. It is one of the interesting topic. Yeah. So, our chapter 4, introducing computer programming. This is the name of our chapter 4. Okay, introducing computer programming. Okay, please do note down the name of this chapter, chapter 4, introducing computer programming. Yes. So, what are computer programs? See, computer works. You know that it works according to the instruction given by us, isn't it? So, computer programs are set of instructions. What is computer program? It is a set of instructions that allow computer to communicate with the user, peripheral devices, which means that devices which has been connected externally to the computer information. No need to write anything. Okay, so what is computer program? It is a set of instruction. Okay, and these instructions are written in a language known as computer language. Okay, so these instructions, the instruction which has been given to the computer by us, has been written in a language which is known as computer language, and the process of writing this computer language and the process of writing this computer programs is known as computer programming. Is that clear? So what is computer program? Set of instructions given to the computer, and these instructions are written in a language known as computer language, and the process of writing this computer program is called computer programming. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. So now, what is flowchart? This is the main topic of this chapter. What is this flowchart? Have you ever heard about this flowchart?
No, ma'am.
Okay, let me ask you one question. If I want to explain about a particular topic, if I write, there are two options. I will be writing that about that particular topic, and second thing is that I will be drawing regarding that particular topic, which will be easier for to recognize and identify the things. Which will be easier for you? Drawing, isn't it? Like that. Yes, like that. We also use flowchart to represent our program. So it is the graphical representation of a program. Okay, it is the flowchart is the, you please note down the first point. It is the pictorial representation of a program, or it is the graphical representation of a computer program. Okay, so steps will be specified using with the help of pictures that you will learn. So what is flowchart? It is the pictorial or graphical representation of a computer program, okay, which will be easy for you to understand the logic of a program. Okay, using this, by seeing this flowchart, it will help you to understand the logic of a program. Okay, so what is flowchart? It is a graphical representation of a computer program, or you can say it as it is a pictorial representation of a computer program. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, if you want to create a flowchart, we need the following symbols. Please note down this. First one is start and stop symbol. Second one is processing symbol, flow line, then input or output, decision making symbols. So using these symbols, yes, Ashinanda, please do write down this. Yes, to create a flowchart, we need the following symbols: start and stop symbol, processing symbol, flow line, input output, decision making. Okay, using these symbols, we will create a flowchart regarding a particular program. Okay, so please do note down this. Yes, so there are different symbols which has been used to create a flowchart. So first one is start and stop. Second one is processing. Third one is flow line. Then input or output. Then decision making simple. Yes. Right? So there are different symbols through which, with the help of which, we can draw a flow chart of a particular computer program. Okay, we will be moving to an example regarding this flow chart. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So no need to write, but draw this. Okay, this is the first symbol. This is used to show the start and stop of a process. Okay, it is used to represent the start and the end of an algorithm. It is used, this symbol is used to represent
Ma'am,
that. Yes,
what is the chapter's name?
you are
Yes.
right. What happened?
Ma'am, I just joined now, ma'am.
Okay, introducing computer program. That is the name of this chapter. Is that clear, my dear?
Okay, ma'am.
So first symbol is used to represent the start and the end of a algorithm. Okay. Next one, it is used in a process. It is used to represent the logic of a program. Okay, rectangle one. And this is used for input and output steps. Okay, now you will learn about this. Next one is diamond. This is used for decision. Okay, and this next symbol is used to show the flow of control. Okay, so what are the basic symbols that is been used in the to draw a flow chart? First one, this is for the to represent the start and the end. Okay, and next is used to show, this symbol is used to show the logic of a program, and this is for input and output steps. And next one, this is for decision, and this is to show the flow of control. Is that clear? Now tell me, if I want to add two numbers, can you just tell me the logic of this program? If I want to add two numbers,
ma'am.
means that no ma'am, why? From childhood you are learning to add two numbers. See, if I want to add 529 and 256.
Input.
Yes, what are the steps? What is the logic? First, I have to start, isn't it? I'm going to start my process. This is my first method. After that, I
Ma'am,
have-
785.
yes, my dear. I have to add 529 and 256. So, I have,
785.
yes, which means that first you have taken this number, isn't it? I have taken this number in a variable A, and second number I have taken in 256. Is that clear? And what I have to do? I have to add means I have to do addition, right? This is my step. Isn't it? A plus B, right? Yes?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. If I write like this, what is the meaning of this? After the total result will be stored in which variable? Sum. What is the total of this?
785.
785.
Which is equal to C.
Yes. Which means that in which variable I will get the total output?
C,
A
C,
plus B.
C,
I have taken sum. So in which
C,
variable?
ma'am, C, C.
I have not taken C. I have taken one variable, which is that?
Sum,
Sum.
A plus B.
sum,
Yes.
ma'am, sum.
Sum. The answer will be assigned to this variable, isn't it? So I will get the total number in which variable?
Sum.
Sum. At
Sum.
last, I have to display that, which means that I have to print that. So print or display. You can either use print or display. I have to print this variable sum because the total output has been stored in this. At last, I have to stop. This is the basic logic, isn't it? Now we are going to draw the flow chart. I hope this step is clear to you, isn't it? This is the basic logic that you used to do in your maths, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now take your paper. Now we are going to draw a flow chart to add two numbers. Write the question. Draw a flow chart to add two numbers. Draw a flow chart Yes, draw a flow chart to add two numbers. Draw a flow chart to find the sum of two numbers. To find the sum of two numbers. Draw a flow chart to find the sum of two numbers. So what is the first step?
Start.
Yes. Start. Then what is the second number? We have to input. Okay. If you want, you can also use the word read, which I have to use in this parallelogram, which means that I'm just using input. Okay. If you want, you can also write read input. I have to add two numbers, which means that I'm using two variables. I'm just using A and B. If you want, you can use any other variable. Okay. Next, what I have to do? I have to do the process, which means that what is the main logic behind this program? Yes, what is the main logic behind this program? To add two numbers. What is the main step?
Start, put A, B.
Yes, which means that I have to draw the rectangle. Inside this, I have to take one variable. If I want, I will take C. C is equal to A plus B. This is my logic, isn't it? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. After that, in which variable I will get the total output? In C. So I have to display that, or I can say that I have to print that value. So I have to write print or display C. Then our task is completed. So at last I have to write what?
Sum.
No, end, because output, I got output, isn't it?
This.
So this is, you can also write end, stop or end. This is the flow chart to find the sum of two numbers. This is the flow chart to find the sum of two numbers. Okay, this is the flow chart to find the sum of two numbers. Is it easy?
Yeah.
Okay, if it is over, second algorithm, right? Sorry, draw a flow chart to find the sum of three numbers. Yes.
Start.
Draw. Right, first you write. After that, we will have the discussion regarding this.
Ma'am?
Next question. Yes,
Now, ma'am, can you see the definition of flowchart?
it is the
Right.
graphical representation of a program. Or it is, yeah, or you can also say it as it is the pictorial representation of a program. Those who have completed, please draw a flow chart to find the sum of three numbers. Find the sum of three numbers. Which means that we have to input three variables. Yes, Safwan, right? We have to input three variables. Please see whether you have drawing the correct symbol.
Ma'am, finished, ma'am.
Okay, I'm going to show it the symbols once again. Please do check. This is the first symbol to show the start and the end. This is the process to show the logic. This is for input and output process, which means that to write input and print.
Ma'am,
And next,
finished.
okay, let's wait for others. Can you just tell me what is the first step to find the sum of three numbers?
And start.
Start, ma'am, start.
ABC.
Wait. Let me draw. Start. Don't forget to do the arrow. Yes, arrow. Then,
Ma'am, input A plus A, B, C.
which
A, B, C.
symbol should I use?
And parallelogram.
A, B,
Yes. Input or read. You can write read also. Input
Input.
A, B, C. Very good. Now, what is the next step?
Ma'am,
D.
D is equal to A, B, and C.
Which symbol should I use?
All
Rectangle.
square, ma'am. Rectangle, yes, ma'am.
Not square, it is rectangle. So,
Sorry,
D,
rectangle.
yeah, use D.
A
Okay.
plus B plus C.
Okay. A plus B plus C. Excellent. Now, what I have to do?
Print.
Ma'am, print D.
Ma'am,
Print
print
D.
D.
Parallelogram.
On parallelogram.
Yes, parallelogram. You have to draw. You have to write. Print or display.
D.
At last, there is
Stop.
no
Stop. Stop, ma'am. Stop.
Starting.
in an
Yes.
oval.
Top or end? Okay,
Stop
is that clear?
Both.
Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Isn't it very easy?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So next
It's
question.
square's name. Two
Yes.
only. Not the rectangle. Only these two. Starting and input.
Yes. So next, next question. Flowchart to calculate perimeter of a square. Yes. Flowchart to calculate. Next question, a third question. To calculate perimeter of a square. What is the
Ma'am,
formula of a perimeter?
Length and width.
What is the formula to find the perimeter of a square?
length of an angle. Oh, I'm sorry, no.
Max, who is teaching you Max? I'll tell her. Yes, what is the formula? Perimeter.
Ma'am, 2 into length plus breadth. ma'am.
Not rectangle, my dear. It is square,
Ma'am, side plus side plus side plus side.
which means that perimeter is equal to 4 into side, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, using this logic, please draw the flow chart of this program.
Yes,
All of you,
ma'am.
please try. Yes, all of you, please try. Now I will call you one by one. Yes. All of you, please try. Yeah. It is very simple. Alan, yes, right. You have to draw a flow chart to find or to calculate the perimeter of a square. Yes, right. All of you, right? Riha, what happened? Right? Riha,
Ma'am, what is input?
what is input? I don't know. I don't know how to draw the flow chart. Riha, Fatima. Right. Riha, right? I don't know. What is the input? I don't know how to draw the flow chart. You only know how to draw the flow chart.
Studies 30 plus. Ma'am,
No, I'll call you. I don't know what is input.
Ma'am, how?
I don't know. Don't ask
Ma'am,
me.
input is 4 into S, ma'am. 4 into S.
Arrow, quiet. What is input? I don't know what is input. I only know to teach you. I don't know how to solve a particular problem. Okay, Alan, over, my dear. No, I can't hear you. Please check your audio.
No.
Okay, think. It is very simple. Nihal, over, my dear.
No, ma'am. Thinking.
Okay, Priyadatta, what about you?
I'm doing.
Okay. Take your own time. Okay. Yes, Riha, over, my dear.
I think it's right.
Quiet. I'll call you. Yes, Fatima, over.
Ma'am, doing. Ma'am,
Okay.
Ma'am, I completed, ma'am.
Wait. I'll call you. Avasepachan, completed, my dear. I can't hear. Yes. So,
Ma'am, I have.
Mm.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Mm.
I have network. So my video
No problem. Okay. So for solving this particular problem, first I would like to call Irene. What is the first step, my
Yes,
dear?
ma'am.
What is the first step?
Ma'am, start.
Okay, thank you. Next, I would like to call Nihal. Nihal,
Yes, ma'am.
Can you just tell me the next about the next step? After start, what I have to draw? Only tell me that.
Ma'am, parallelogram.
What I have to write inside this? Wait.
Input.
No. Wait. Nihal, thank you. Now I would like to call Safwan.
Yes, ma'am.
What I have to write inside this?
Ma'am, input 4 into x.
Input. Okay, it is right. Input. See, what is the equation for this? Perimeter is equal to 4 into side. Okay, I have just written. See, we have to enter only the value of s, isn't it? Because 4 is constant, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So here we have to only write s or side, the variable that you are using. Okay, is that clear about you? Is that
Yes,
clear
ma'am.
to all? Yes. Alisha. Adi? Adi, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Is there any, should I draw something in the middle of start and input? Should
Ma'am,
I-
arrow.
Yes, arrow. Very good. Excellent. Yes. Next, I would like to call Abel Joffrey. Abel. Yes, dear. What I have to do next? Abel?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Okay. Thank you, my dear. Next, I would like to call. Yes, Ausepachan. Unmute. Ausepachan. Yes, please check your audio. I can't hear you what you're saying. Please check your audio. Mohammed Faz. Mohammed Faz.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mohammed Faz. What I have to write inside this rectangle? Yes, what I have to write? What is the logic? What is the logic? Okay, Aaron will help you. Yes, Aaron. Tell me.
Ma'am, it is, ma'am, here the answer is A, okay, ma'am? Answer is A. A is equal to 4 into S.
A is equal to 4 into x. Okay, you have used the variable A. I'm just changing a little bit because it is perimeter. Don't get confused. I'm just using P. If you want, you can use A. No problem. Is that clear?
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Now I
Ma'am, I
am.
use P.
It's okay. Now, what is the next step that I have to do?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, parallelogram
Print
print
four.
A. Parallelogram.
Okay. If I have used P, so what I have to write?
Print
Print P.
Print P.
Print P.
Print P.
Okay. If I write here display, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. It's
Print
okay.
P. At last, I have to write what?
Stop.
Stop.
Top. Excellent.
Stop.
Very good.
Stop there.
How was the topic? How is the topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Very easy, right?
And we can play this one with this.
Yes. See, we have completed our chapter. This is all about the chapter. Our chapter is very small. So next question. Ready for the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So your next question is to find the average of two numbers. Through the flow chart to calculate the average of two numbers. Do. Yes. Average of two numbers.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, my phone have no charge.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I say?
Mark my
No.
attendance.
Okay, my dear. Okay.
Ma'am, can I say?
Wait. Others, please do draw the flow chart of this. Yes, first start, isn't it?
Start.
Yes. Next. What is the input here?
Input A plus B, ma'am. AB.
Yes, two numbers. Yes. It is input AB. Then
Then rectangle and then C is equal to A plus B.
then can I write like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I write like this?
Okay, ma'am. I wrote like the. I
Two
wrote
steps.
one more.
Okay,
One
no
more.
problem. No problem. You can write or you can also write like this. Very good. What I have to print?
Print D.
Yes. What is the last step there?
C, ma'am. Print C.
Stop. Stop.
If you want, yes. If you want, you can also write like this. As C is equal to A plus B, then what is the next step?
D is equal to 2 divided by C.
Huh?
D is equal to C divided by 2.
Yes. If you want, you can also split this statement like this. Is that clear?
Yep, clear, ma'am. Time up, ma'am. Bye.
Yes. So I hope topic is clear to you and it is very
But-
easy.
Not fun. Not like that. It's really little.
It is only little and it is very easy. So that's all for
I
today.
think ma'am told it to big chapter no.
So that's all for today. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Have a nice day.